What's up, my bomb and subscriber squad? What's happening, y'all? Welcome, welcome. I am TonyaNicole, and welcome to my video, my loves. I hope before you leave, you will consider subscribing and becoming a part of my family if you haven't done so already. Please watch the entire video, and if you do like it, please give me a thumbs up, and don't forget to follow me on Instagram as well as Twitter. Today, my loves, we have LASHYBOX, one of my favorite subscriptions. Y'all know that. I'm very excited to see what we got this month. So if you're as equally excited as I am, stay tuned. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. What's up, guys? So y'all know this is going to be a very quick video. I have LASHYBOX today. We're going to do a quick unboxing so you guys can see what January has in store for LASHYBOX. I really do hope that they went all out with the new year. I really do. Last month's box was pretty good. I will link that above for you guys to check it out. I absolutely adore them. They have been one of my favorite lash subscriptions thus far. Today we are drinking still a little bit of Coke Zero. So let's take a dance break and a drink break. Now let's get some specs on this box and make it do what it do. This is their base box, guys. This one is $13.99 each month. You're supposed to get 4 pairs of lashes, some makeup tools, beauty tools, makeup products, all kinds of stuff in this little box for $13.99. They do not give us a card, so I'll look up the prices for you guys if I can find them, and we'll put them on the bottom of the screen. If you want to sign up for a LASHYBOX, I will put the link down below in the description for you guys to go ahead and check them out. I'm telling y'all, this is like a great bargain for your buck. $13 and you get so much stuff in this box. So let's stop chatting and let's open this baby up. Oh, okay. I'm gonna give y'all a quick little peek of what's inside. First up, we have some lashes from LASHYBOX, and these are in the style Olivia. Gorgeous, gorgeous lashes, very full and voluminous, perfect for me. One thing I do like about their regular base box is that they give you a variety of natural and dramatic lashes, which I do love. They do offer a variety of other boxes. I'll have those down below for you guys. But these are beautiful, love them, perfect for TonyaNicole. These retail for $9.99, my loves. Ooh, and then we have these in the style Cake. Let me take them out of this pack so y'all can really see them. These right here in the style Cake, gorgeous. I love when it does that little crisscross type thing with the lashes. It just adds more volume and fullness like to the middle of your eyes, and I absolutely love these. These are very pretty, and these are $9.99 as well. And then we have from Cos Cosmetics, these lashes right here in Gemini. Ooh, let me know your zodiac sign down below. Y'all know I'm Team Scorpio, boo. This is what they're looking like, and these are absolutely gorgeous, my loves. Ooh, I really, 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 really like these. And then we have these in Kitty from LASHYBOX, and these are very long, very voluminous, very wispy, very pretty. I love these. These might be my favorite pair. These are going to give your eyes such a cool look, such strong sex appeal, and the name is Kitty. So, I mean, hence I am the kitty. Ow. I'm so whack. This is what they look like, guys, right there. Okay. Then we have from, who's this from? Loha? This is a micro brow tattoo pen right there. Waterproof, long lasting, no smudging. It's vegan and cruelty free. Let's open this up and see what this is. All right, that's what it looks like outside of the package right there. When we pull it out, oh, okay, so it's one of those brow pencils that's supposed to give you like hair-like strokes. Ooh, okay, I do like that. Can y'all see it? It's brown like my skin, so I think this would actually be a really good color for me, just to go right in the front and make it look a little bit more realistic. So, okay, I definitely will be putting this to the test, and it's not smudging. Oh, okay. All right, boo, nothing came off of my hands. All right, digging that. And then the last product, we didn't get a glue. Oh, we did. We got a little bitty baby glue. And then the last product is this palette. Is that Kim Kardashian? Oh, no, I don't know. Ooh, I'm not sure who the girl is on there, but this is 70s themed palette. It's called the Hippie Doll. I love it. I don't know who, it might be Doja Cat. I don't know who this is, guys. Let me open this up though so I can see what this palette looks like. All right, when we take it out, it looks exactly the same. We open, ooh, oh my goodness. Oh girl, we got a mirror. Hey boo. Oh my goodness, this is, oh girl, now this is a beautiful palette. Like, oh my goodness, I hope the colors are just as vibrant as they are in this pan. I have to swatch these, guys. Oh my God. Oh, girl. Wait, I need to do the purple too. Let's do this purple. Ooh. So that's how some of the colors swatched out. This is only one swipe each. I mean, I think it has a pretty good payoff. They probably can be built up, hopefully, but I do like it. I love this palette. This is beautiful. And I know Rude Cosmetics is not like superly overpriced, so it's probably a pretty decent price tag on it. So I'm happy to receive that. Okay, so that was our final products in January's LASHYBOX. Let's quickly recap, do final thoughts, and we're gonna be done. So we received this palette right here from Rude Cosmetics, this micro brow tattoo pen from Aloha, these 3 pairs of lashes from LASHYBOX, and this pair from COS Cosmetics in Gemini. So these 6 products right here. Final thoughts on this box, y'all should already know. I absolutely adore LASHYBOX. This is such a good value for $13, guys. And their lashes last a really long time. I'm very pleased with January's box. I said I was going to be canceling them in February, but we're going to see, y'all. I might, ooh, I don't know. I don't know what I'm going to do yet. I think I might be canceling them, but we shall see. I just love this box so much because it's always so packed and it's so cheap. But I did enjoy the box for this month. If I had to rate it on a scale of 1, being this box is garbage, throw it in the damn sewer. To 5, being this box is the bomb.com. Boo, you know what I'm saying. We're going to give LASHYBOX for the month of January a whopping 4. I am looking forward to using these lashes and playing with this palette. So yes, my loves, let me know down in the comments what your thoughts are on LASHYBOX as well as the products that I received this month. Remember, guys, if you haven't done so, please subscribe to my channel. Share it with your friends so that they can subscribe so we could be besties as well. Follow me on Instagram and Twitter because I am posting and uploading a lot there. And that's all that I have, my loves. I look forward to talking to you guys in the comments and on my next video. You guys be blessed. I love you dearly. Bye.